Today, we will be looking into complete demonstration of ILife A20 Pro. Let's unbox it. We got a docking station, a filter which is used to clean the dust particles which are collected in the dustbin. And here is a mop cloth along with the mop base and also an extra mop cloth. This is the adjustable charger which is used to charge ILife A20 Pro. We also got a user manual along with the warranty card. Here are two cleaning brushes. One brush we will be connecting with the ILife A20 Pro before starting the process. And it is an extra filter. One filter is already available within the mission. And here comes our excellent and elegant ILife A20 Pro, which is very light in weight to carry. This is the glimpse of all the parts which we got during the unboxing. So now let's start the process. One recommendation is before starting the process, we have to charge the ILife A20 Pro for 8 hours.
For the docking station, cleaning stopped.
So here are two buttons. One is the round button and the other one is the below arrow button. So once you press the below arrow button, it will be returning to the docking station by automatically detecting it. And it will be turned into the charging mode.
Start charging.
So we have started the process. First starting the process, initially we can just click the power button. When you click the power button, it will start automatically to detect the border of the room. Initially, the border of the room will be cleaned and then it will start cleaning the rest of the room line by line wise. We also have a process to do this through app. We can install the SmartLife app and we can pair up our ILife A20 Pro with the SmartLife app and we can operate it from the app in the phone as well. The difference what I could feel by manually starting or through app is within the app you can adjust the graph of the room which it has collected for the first time. And also you can adjust the frequency of cleaning and the frequency of mopping. This has a feasibility that how many times you want to clean we can adjust in the app. And also if you want to proceed both the cleaning and mopping at an instance also we can adjust. The frequency of mopping can also be set at the medium or low or the high level. One more good thing is when we are not inside the home also we can operate it through the app. The only requirements are the Wi-Fi should be on and the power button should be in on state. Here you are seeing how the ILife A20 Pro is cleaning all the corners of the room under the chairs and so. It will enter each and every corner of the room like under the beds, under the sofas if the height permits. Here you can see how it is turning around the chairs and cleaning the mapping. Cleaning and mopping is also being done here. So this is under the divan process. Divan also the process is continuing. And for the installation process, you need not struggle more because we have a support as well which we can opt while buying the product itself. So that they will guide us how can we install the things and so. For the first time when we install the app, we need 2 GHz net connectivity so that the process will be installed. Once it is done, we can use whatever the frequency we have at the home. All the steps are clearly explained by the help center team of ILife A20 Pro. They are very friendly and help us and guide us during the process. See, here you can see how the collection is happening of the dust particles. In the first line, it collected the two things and then the next line, it is collecting the third one. So it is very accurate in going through the borders and the speed of the Robo is also adjusted whenever some obstacles are coming around. This ILife A20 Pro is one of the best option which makes you to eliminate the hassle of long cleaning routine. So here you can see how the dust particles are also being collected. For an area of around 1200 square feet, It is taking around 45 minutes for the high intensity mopping and cleaning process. So this is the graph which I am speaking about. Here you can see how the robo is moving from one room to other room. As I told, we can select the forbidden area. The orange area is nothing but the graph which we have selected, where I have a glass table and a mat, so I don't want the robo to enter into that area. Here, all the detailed description, how much time it took for the cleaning process, how much area it covered, what is the percentage of electricity being used, how can we set the cleaning plan, everything is recorded. Now, I will show you how to clean once the process of cleaning and mopping is done. Here is the dust collection bin. See how the tiniest particles of the dust bin collected. Even we sweep manually, we will see the tiniest particles still available on the floor. But with this process, I could see it is collecting more efficiently. All the papers, everything, even the small particles, even though if we left it, it will be collected into the bin. We can separate it during the cleaning process. Here is the filter brush which we have to use for cleaning the bin. And one recommendation is don't use any wet cloths for this. And also we should not use any thing like Lysol or so for this process also. This is the filter which I have shown in starting of the video, which is already available within the mission. And don't use any water to clean this filter or sponge. Just use the filter brush which they gave to clean them. So once the cleaning is completed, we can easily detach the mopping cloth which is available. Generally, I follow the process to clean this for every 4 days once. We can also wait for even 1 week also. See, this is the mopping cloth which is detachable. We can wash it and also attach it back. This is the filter area where we have to fill it with water. So 200 ml of water is sufficient for entire mopping process. Ensure that no liquids are added along with it. So once the cleaning is done, this is the cloth how it will behave. So we can reattach it and keep the mopping. Once the clothing is placed, we can set back to the ILife A20 Pro and the charging will be continued. I feel this product is very useful for all the women, which avoids the hassle cleaning process. Thank you for watching.